Welcome back to Talking Tech with TJ, and this is my unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. Yeah, I get this is my third folding device. I'm kind of a little excited about this device, just a little, because I had the Z Fold 2, and the inner screen got damaged on me. Samsung couldn't repair it. The inner screen stopped bubbling, and they couldn't repair it. So they couldn't. They tried to give me a replacement unit, but I didn't want the replacement unit because my Z Fold 2 was custom made, and I spent extra money for the custom made red hinge. So they gave me a refund, and I took the refund and purchased. I'm gonna roll the dice one more time with them before Microsoft Surface Duo come out. We're gonna see how that works, and if then I'll either flip a coin between the Microsoft Surface Duo or the Z Fold 3. So, but anyways, this is my unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Flip 3. Don't look like it's gonna be much of a boxing, because you see already this box is very small. And in these accessories, one good thing about Samsung when you order your device on Samsung.com, Samsung do give you some kickback. So big ups to Samsung for that. I was able to get these for, I think, for like $25 because they gave me so much credit. These Buds too. We'll see how those work, because these right here had purchased when I purchased my Z Fold 2, the Galaxy Buds Pro, which sounds great, but these things they're not for me, and then they might not be for a lot of other people's, because if you work out these things, I don't care how many ear tips that you change on these things, they always fall out of your ear. And the noise cancellation, they're not that great. So we're gonna try, but for $25, I'm gonna try these out, and see how. Hopefully they're better than these, and I'll most definitely let you know. And stay tuned for the review for these things, because like I said, I bought them when they first came out for $200 something, man. Believe me, I should have just sent these things back. But with earbuds, I'm not too quick to send things back with earbuds. They've been in my ear and all that other stuff. So, anyways, let's get to the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Flip 3. So, let's see what's going on with this device now. Yes, and all us techies, man. You know how we are when we get new devices. It's Christmas now, baby. It's most definitely Christmas. All right, you see, I don't see that. Let me see if I can adjust this camera just a little bit. That's the box. In the box, right off the back, you get the device. All right, and this device heavily protected. Let me see what, I know it's black, but let me see what black name they gave it this time. Last year it was Majestic Black. Let me see if it's still Majestic Black. See if it's on the box anywhere. See if I can see it in this thing. Oh, okay, you see it at the top there? Well, anyways, this one is Phantom Black. Phantom Black is the name they gave it this time. Set that there. Of course, a slim rejector. And charging cable, data cable, and no charging brick. So, and instructions, and you know we never read those things because how many phones we don't have by now. All right, so let's unbox this. Let's take the cover off of this. Hopefully this thing got a little juice. My third folding device. Charging port, speaker, mics, slim ejector. Another mic at the top. Volume rocker. Fingerprint plus power button. All right, let's see if they got some juice. Let's see if they got some juice on here for me. There we go. All right, let's see if we can put this back in the lens so y'all can see it. See if I can zoom in on this thing. All right. So, not a lot to say about this device. No, it's 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, and 888 Snapdragon processor. So, and I'm most definitely gonna put this phone through its paces for as 4K video, a lot of pictures, a lot of graphic, intense gaming, just to break this 888 Snapdragon processor in, and I'll most definitely get back with you all with the review. So you know, stay tuned. Please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that that bell button right next to the subscribe so you can get updated on our future videos. All right, YouTube, peace out.